Once again, welcome to CERSAIE, the international fair for ceramic tile and bathroom furniture. This is a place where we have designers, we have professionals, we have technical people that are really looking for trends. Trends in terms of design, trends of sustainability, and of course, technical innovation.
For the 2025 edition, MAPEI is once again playing a leading role, showcasing the latest innovations while paying special attention to sustainable solutions and systems.
Right at the entrance of our MAPEI stand, you can witness our new product, the Keraflex S1 Evolution Zero. It's a new product that we have added to our product range of sustainable adhesives for ceramic.
The innovative and sustainable product, ideal for LEED certified projects, but also compatible with various sustainability protocols, where every choice contributes to reducing environmental impact and promoting responsible construction. Within the MAPEI area, we have created 8 distinct environments to present our key solutions, from systems designed for new pedestrian walkways, bathrooms, hotels, and terraces, to those for the renovation of commercial and residential spaces. Let's take a closer look at some of our most interesting new products. Here you can see Keraflex Quick, the new fast and easy to apply adhesive, and also Keracolor GG with its new improved formula. You will also find some of our top products, including MAPEGuard UM35, MAPELastic Aqua Defense Zero, our soundproofing system, together with membrane and adhesive, the MAPEI heat heating system, and others. Moving to the central islands of the stand, we choose to highlight the heating systems featuring Topcham Pronto, UltraPlan Trade, Planitex S and L. Here you'll also discover the UltraCare line and our sealants Mapesil Tile Map.
A new product that we're also presenting here at CERSAIE is the new Mapesil AC Zero. It's a product with the new formula that is also fully compensated.
This sealant is also perfectly coordinated with the MAPEI color range from Profilpas. The color is a key player also with our grouts, and we wrap up this area with MAPEI level leveling systems.
We are here in another place. It's another stand of MAPEI that is fully dedicated to our installers. The installers can receive trainings from our technical experts.
It's a chance for industry professionals to discover our latest innovations and sustainable solutions, gain insights into the technical advantages of our materials, and deepen their knowledge. We decided to give a t-shirt to all installers who visit our demo area, celebrating their work and expertise. This stand also highlights the new Keraflex S1 Evolution Zero, along with the tools and accessories for installation. Moving to the other side of the stand, we explore all the UltraCare products. These are ideal products for cleaning, maintaining, and protecting surfaces. Let's conclude with our grouts and the sealants. Right next to this, we find the section dedicated to Profilpas with its technical and finishing profiles for ceramic. There are also skirting boards, drains and bathroom systems, LED light profiles, balcony, terraces and stairs profiles, accessories for the installation and supports for raised outdoor flooring. The MAPEI color is undoubtedly the star, with 16 aluminum-coated finishes divided into 8 warm colors and 8 cold colors to ensure maximum versatility. These finishes perfectly match the textures of MAPEI Ultra Color plus cementitious grout, ensuring complete harmony with other MAPEI grouts and sealants.
CERSAIE, it's a great opportunity to connect. It's also a place to see the latest trends but also where MAPEI can really shape the future of the building industry.